KL.
Stop it.
Usually it's my responsibility to ask, how are you feeling?
The plane is about to take off now, so I'm very nervous, but I trust in this plane.
First Officer Darren, along with
We can do
the
this.
See you
customer
later.
service manager and the cabin crew, would
Boleh
like
lens,
to welcome you aboard just
Yeah, so we just arrived in KL.
We made it, guys, we made it!
We just spent like $110 for 2 persons tickets to KL Central. And then we checked Uber, potentially if you take an Uber ride, it's probably about 80 ringgit. So, I'm not sure if you're making a decision, but it's over.
We got scammed.
It's over, man.
Scam.
So let's see how it goes. KL.
Ever since you've been gone, ever since you've been gone.
Right, Ilham, so we just got out of the Ilham gallery, and what are your thoughts?
I thought that it was a very eye-opening experience. We saw a lot of culture that was very wittily put up together in a very artsy form, and we also got to experience a bit about the politics and the history of Malaysia.
Hey, what's up guys? So we're here at Tapak Urban Street Dining. We were just walking around this area and we managed to discover this amazing place of food trucks serving amazing food, blend of our western and local taste. So we tried a few and pretty good. Maybe we'll come back again in a minute.
Ever since you've been gone.
We're at the Petronas Twin Towers right now. Lots of tourists here, all taking photos. And then we spent almost 40 minutes, I think, almost around here, just trying to get a shot. Really difficult. What are your thoughts right now?
I would like to go up and take a look, but then I'll have to wait till Friday.
Yeah, we're actually supposed to get a ticket today, but we couldn't buy in time for the good timing, which is around 7 PM.
Damn it!
So we're heading over on Friday. Hopefully the weather holds up for us, man.
Yeah!
Skirt, skirt.
We riding this one till the wheels fall off. Come on, listen. We live in the day at a time. Chill out, relax and whine. Even if the going's rough, just know that it'll be fine. So recline your seat and delete shit out your mind. Cause today will be tomorrow's yesterday in due time.
And here we have
Yesterday, was it yesterday?
our Dragonback track.
Like the world was against me, it was getting out of line. But I can't say the same about today, cause today is mine. Oh, I'm glad it's mine. And I'm
The
glad
city
it's
here.
mine. Been too long, it's gone my way. It's about the time needed and got it the way God it would say.
There's our guide over there. His mask. Hi. He's from Taiwan. He's from Mars too. And this is our OCS guy. Woo! So how you feeling, Kiguan?
I will experience that. Yeah. gets back somewhere near the city and gets.
For the good words and knowledge, before this all started, was mad at the world turned cold and broken.
Track 1, track 2, point 1, point 2, this, point 3. Oh shucks, it's a video. It's crazy, man.
I just do it cause I love it, there's no need to explain. I can't complain, no, I got a good blessed with a gift to uplift. Speak my mind, glad the music exists. Couldn't predict the way we gotta spread peace to the earth. They out to get your money, we giving your money's worth. Then return to where we started, can't forget where it began. No, it's been a long time, so I'm calling up the fam. That's what it's all about, I can see it all clear.
Bruce Wayne, what do you have to say, Bruce Wayne? Thank you so much.
Ups and downs are a part of the ride along. The beats, the rides, the beeps, the lives we live, we die, we love, we cry.
We just got dropped off by Amos over here. So what? I mean, the Dragonback track was. What's your thoughts?
I thought that the Dragonback track was very, very breathtaking. It was totally not in my expectations. I didn't think that it was gonna be so steep. There were a few moments where I thought I was gonna die. So I didn't think it would be that challenging. But then again, I think because of that, it made it a lot more impressive and remarkable. And yeah.
Best part of the journey was when Amos offered us to try the Peak 4. Because originally his track only includes like three earlier peaks, which were much easier to handle. Then he saw that because this was a good group of people who, I mean, we could go for more. We were quite fit and he said we were quite confident in our whatever climbing abilities. So, and then Peak 4 was challenging but very rewarding as well. I mean, like, it comes with challenges when you overcome all this tasks, and you feel a lot better.
Yeah.
So anyway, the whole track is amazing.
Really,
Yeah,
totally, like every single peak was just
If you come to KL, you want to get
jaw
out
dropping.
if you want to get out of the city, this is the best place to go. And probably gonna try, if I ever come back to KL next time, probably gonna try other packages that he does.
It's a must go.
Yeah.
Please do that.
Alright, so now came on to Batu Caves. Alright. Soon, and we did pretty tired right now. Wake up really early, haven't been sleeping much, and it's pretty physical so far today, but it's fun. This guy is struggling, man. Why are you struggling?
I got cramp. My thigh cramp. I climbed the stairs.
Anyway, afterwards what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do a good shower, maybe take a nap before going out to the night market. But it's like the 咸蛋超人 chicken and sotong over here. That's what is famous. But I think the sotong is the good one. The chicken is okay only. So go for the sotong one.
today we are here at Chinatown. So can you go and tell me about what you have been doing today?
Today's been a really lazy day. We had an exhausting day yesterday, doing lots of, I would say, physical activities, going for a trek in the morning, and then we went to Batu caves. So we were really tired, and today we woke up quite late. I think it's well deserved rest. And then we went to Berjaya Times Square to have the simple massage. We wanted to check out the theme park, but I guess it was a little too expensive, about $17 for I think their best ride was the roller coaster. So I thought it's not really worth it. So afterwards we came over to Chinatown. This is Bintang Street, Chinatown. It's actually, from what we saw, it's just like a cross junction. So it's not too big if you compare back in Singapore. The one that we had is much more commercialized, much more bigger. And over here is just basically 2 streets for to walk around with lots of stores along the streets, but they basically sell those nonsensical, useless tourist things that you typically find everywhere else within Southeast Asia. Right here, right now, we are at Kim Deng Ki, something that sells very famous Hokkien noodles. So we're waiting for our noodles to come so we can try. We only have tea right now. Order some tea in. So I'm gonna try it now. Tell you how it tastes like. Is it really that different? Give it a taste. I think it's actually not bad. It's a rival a lot of Zest stores in Singapore. And I guess probably the selling point is that it's a bit of the tinge of sweetness in the soy sauce that they use here, that they use to fry the Hokkien mee. Yeah, but other than that, the texture of the noodles, the liao, the ingredients are almost the same. So yeah, I guess it's okay if you're here and try it out, give it a try. Get a small one, it's only like 10 ringgit. Okay? Right, so we just finished the visit at Petronas Towers. What do you think of it? For me personally, I think that it was foggy, so we didn't see much. How about you, Ilham?
I thought it was quite a cool experience. We actually went to quite a high level, 83. Yeah. So yeah, we got a bird's eye view of the city, and we got to take some cool pictures as well.
I mean, like the cost of this is 85 ringgit. Do you think it's worth it, or actually it's a tad too X? That's what I think. I think it's quite X.
Like maybe 1 ringgit per level, that kind of. Yeah lah, a bit too X. Don't go lah.